ordering screen has quite a few different functionalities. First, on the top right, we have the lock button. By tapping on the lock button, it causes you to log out. Now that I log back in, I also have the ability to tap on this pencil icon here, causing the pencil button to go green and giving me the ability to add an item on the spot. Now this is a function that can be edited based on access. You can determine if your cashier or your server or your manager or the owners are able to have this function. When I tap on the pencil button again, that button goes away. Next is this green button here. This is your no sale button or the button that pops your cash drawer. Next, we have this bell button here. When this bell becomes orange, that means the system has a notification for you. Next is this spinning arrow button. This causes the system to resync. And lastly, the next button on the list are these 3 stacked diamonds. When tapping on them, they take you back out to your service area screen.